Welcome back everyone to XM.com, and wish you all have a great Thursday session. It's September 28th. I'm Christina Barthenidu, investment analyst. Take a look at the Australia versus the US dollar in the daily chart. So zooming in, we can see that the pair is back in a downtrend, having dropped to a new 10-month low of 0.6330 yesterday, following the rejection near the 20-day exponential moving average and the support trend line coming from the pandemic 2020 low of 0.55. Well, technically the outlook is not bright. The indicators over here are still in the bearish territory. So the base scenario is for the pair to continue lower, but we can also see that the price hasn't significantly deviated below its August and September lows, while there is an important support line coming from last December that's currently seen around 0.63. So given the fact that the stochastic oscillator down here is already near oversold levels and the price itself is trading around the lower Bollinger Band, I believe that the pair could make another attempt to recoup some lost ground. Though the battle could be difficult because the pair will need to close above the 20-day exponential moving average and that key resistance trend line coming from July, both seen between 0.6415 and 0.6450. Then if the 50-day exponential moving average proves easy to overcome, the price will also need to close above the 0.6520 bar. While higher than that, the price could initially pause around 0.6570 before heading for the 200-day exponential moving average at 0.6640 at the moment. Now in the bear scenario where the pair slips below the important support line and below the 0.63 level, we may see an immediate consolidation around the 0.6280 area where the price strongly bounced up back in November 2022. If that doesn't happen, then I expect a drop towards the 0.62 psychological mark, while below the 0.6169 low, that was the lowest level reached in 2022. It was a 30-month low back then. Then below that, the sell-off could worsen towards the 0.6120 and 0.61 former constraining zone. So finally summing up, while Aussie dollar still looking bearish in the short-term picture, but there are some important support levels nearby, so I wouldn't rule out some recovery attempts in the short term. Nevertheless, an upside correction wouldn't change the negative outlook unless the price bounces significantly up and particularly move above the 0.6520 resistance area. So that's all for Aussie dollar today. Thank you for watching. I wish you have a great trading day.